If you're a new coach trying to sell your coaching, stop. You're going to hit your head against the wall over and over. After coaching and training coaches for more than 20 years, I've seen what works and what doesn't. Subscribe if you want to avoid the mistakes that I have personally made over the last 2 decades. Let's get into it.
Okay, Rich, Peter from Seattle asked, why does selling coaching sessions not work? You mentioned something about a workshop method in a previous video.
Because here's the problem, and this goes around the world to anybody that's coaching. Is selling coaching directly is missing one piece before you can do that. And that one thing, if you're listening to this, write it down. That one thing is called credibility. You have no credibility, neither do I, frankly, and I've been doing this for 20 years. They don't know me from Adam. I don't have credibility if I just try to sell my coaching services. And what are people going to do? They're going to go Google you or go on to, YouTube. You can't build credibility online. And so, what we teach is a workshop method to actually build your credibility. What we want you to do is don't market for your coaching services, market for a small workshop, just 8 people, 9 people, 10 people. You can do that through networking, you can do it through alliances. We have so many different ways to drive traffic to your webinar. You can do them online, you can do them in person. But either way, you are going to build your credibility. How? By conducting that workshop.
Mhm.
You just deliver that workshop. And at the end of I don't care if it's 45 minutes or an hour and a half, at the end of that workshop, you now have credibility. They go, wow, material is great. They don't care who taught it to them. They learned something new. And when they learn something new and they know they can employ it into their coaching business, now you offer them a complimentary session with you. That complimentary session actually brings trust, brings a relationship, but they're not going to do that unless you build your credibility first. And how
Mhm.
do you do that? The workshop model. We happen to have 7 of them around John Gray's 7 most popular books. And those books actually bring so much value to that client, they actually want more. And now you're
Mhm.
going to offer them that one session.
Okay. Can
That's it
you
in a
can,
nutshell. Yeah.
can you take our viewers through the mechanics of the how to run through the workshop, why the workshop works, just like a step-by-step type of a process?
Well, first of all, you got to run the workshop based on topics that people already care about. That's why
Mhm.
ours are about relationships or how to get, client, how to run a coach. You're a coach, you're in a relationship and it's, wavering and you don't know what to do with it or to the next step or parenting or starting over if you've had death or divorce. Those kind of things are people actually care about. So
Okay.
that's number one. You want to teach real value. They think, wow, this person knows their stuff. Once you deliver that, like I said, doesn't matter if it's 30 minutes, an hour and a half, you're giving value. That's the main thing. Write that down if you're listening. Please give them value. And at the end, they think, wow, this person knows what they're talking about. This will really help me. I can implement this today.
Mhm.
And at the end, we then offer that complimentary session. And
Mhm.
we teach you how to do that where it becomes real deep to them. Where are they now? Where do they want to go? What's been getting in their way? What are the techniques? You do that in the session, not necessarily in the workshop.
Mhm. Mhm.
And you must make that session so powerful that now they want to work with you.
Right.
You're pulling them in credibility, trust, relationship. You can't sell coaching right online. You just can't. They don't know you.
So it's you build the trust through the process rather than kind of selling your services, right?
You're not selling your services at all. You invite somebody to a workshop is not selling. You're just saying, come to
Mhm.
my workshop, Mars Venus, stress workshop on how men and women cope with stress differently. They go, wow, that's interesting. I'll go to that. They're not saying, well, who's Rich Bernstein that's delivering it? They don't say that. They recognize the brand Mars Venus, so it starts your credibility off there. Then you do conduct the workshop by inviting them to it, delivering it, giving that complimentary session. You're building, as you just said, the trust, the relationship. And why should I work with you as opposed to every other coach on the planet?
Mm.
That's our
Mm.
unique selling proposition. And you Why
Mhm.
should they work with you? Maybe you'll sit down with a piece of paper and a pen, quiet room, and think, why should somebody do business with me as opposed to all the other coaches?
Mhm.
When I do business coaching, I ask every client I work with day one, they do business with you. And you know what they say? Almost always, because we're the best. I go,
As
okay, that
everybody
sounds
else
good.
says, right?
Everybody says the same
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. Do you, Rich, do you have a story from those 2 decades of coaching that illustrates maybe you have had a client that has tried selling coaching first, then they tried the workshop model, and they've got some
We've
great
had hundreds.
results.
That's a great question. We've had
Mhm.
hundreds around the world. And when they come to Mars Venus, they're already a coach, they're already certified by another school, and they come to us and go, I just don't know how to get a client. I've tried, I bang my head against the wall. When I finally do get one, they stay 2 or 3 months and they're gone. So our two focuses is client acquisition and client retention. So you don't have to keep getting another one and another one. So
Mhm.
yes, I've had several in the Middle East, in Europe, in Australia, United States, Canada. They go, I just don't know how to do it. I say, because you're trying to sell you. Because
Mhm.
I get that all the time from new coaches come to Mars Means. We were told to sell ourselves. Well, I don't know if I'm good enough to sell myself. No, we don't
Mhm.
sell. We sell the service, what they're actually going to get results around. So it's
Mhm.
a very different concept. We are not selling. We're building trust. We're giving value. We're building a relationship. And now we say, if you want to continue this, here are my program options.
Mhm. Great. And I
And
guess
they start
some.
getting, and by
Mhm.
the way, they start getting clients and go, Rich, I don't know why I didn't do this the last 10 years. Hmm.
And I guess someone could do their own workshops, run that model, or they could join Mars Venus Coaching, get the workshops from our system, that
Yeah.
the books that were converted, John Gray's books,
Well,
and
the
then.
problem with doing it on your own is you got to sit down and create a workshop.
Mhm.
We've not only created it for, and that's a lot of work, by the way. We've not only created them for you, but along with a workbook and a handout and all the material, presenter's notes, all the material you need, including the marketing material, whether you're going to use social media or hand out flyers or however you're going to market it. And we teach you how to do that. It's all done for you. It's turnkey. This
Mhm.
is the flyer you hand out. I happen to love going to networking events and meeting people. And then I reach in my suit pocket and I hand them a flyer. And they go, wow, this is interesting. And out of 20 people invited, I can get 10 in a room. 10 in a room because they're very small and intimate workshops. Out of those 10, I can then get to the complimentary session, probably half, maybe five.
Mhm. Mhm.
So I can do workshops every month and get clients every month. Within 4, 5, 6 months, you'll have a whole stable of clients. So this is what I've seen work. And that's why you should subscribe to this channel so that every single week you get a new tip. How do I employ it? Watch your business grow just by taking the tips from here. That's how it works.